Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to contour your boobs. My boobs are really small, and you know how boobs don't look good in like certain shirts and stuff because they're so small. Well, I have that problem. So I'm going to show you how to contour your boobs to make them look bigger. It's like an at-home boob job. I'm just going to get right into it. I'm going to be using this NYX contour palette thing, and I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade just on like any brush, and I'm just going to be placing the product first where I want it. I'm going to start from the middle and place it up like this. You want to make sure that you make them even too, or else you're going to look like you have lopsided boobs. Like, if it's not perfect, it's not perfect, no one's gonna notice. But you want to make them about the same height. What I'm doing is making it look like there's shadows where there's not, because I have no boobs. And then I'm just gonna keep adding a little bit more as I want. Where I want it to be more like defined. And then I'm gonna just take some concealer and put it like right here. Not too much. You don't want to cover up what you just did. And I'm gonna conceal where I want it to look like where my boob is, you know what I mean? That probably made no sense, but I'm just cleaning up the lines basically. Okay, and then I'm gonna contour my collarbones as well because, you know, you want it to look a little evened out. So yeah, I'm just gonna place this where I want on my collarbones. A little bit in here. And then I'm gonna blend it. And next, I'm going to be setting it. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit, taking the shade Fawn, because it's more of like a gray shade, which makes it look more like a shadow. And I'm going to be taking it just on a little brush, like a blending brush, and very lightly just going over where I put that green contour. Kind of putting it in circular motions so it doesn't put it in such a harsh line. And then putting it on the collarbones. Then I'm just going to blend it out. And then I'm just going to be taking some of these two shades, clean it up right here, make them look bigger. And you don't have to do this part, but I just like to add some highlighter to my collarbones. And then blend it. And right here. And it's that simple. You probably can't really see a difference, but I promise there is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope this helped you out at home boob job. You know, saving lots of money. That's always good. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.